Hi, my name is Lanny Bosma. I am from C&B here in Pipestone, Minnesota, and today we're going to show you the NetWrap Lift as well as a couple other special features. So that being said, we have a roll of cover edge. It is the Mega Roll, 67 inch by 13,200 feet. Fairly heavy. Nice thing about this lift system is it allows you to get one if not two of the rolls up in there relatively easy and save your back. Let's go right into my demonstration. So the cord has a magnet. Just attaches right there for storage. You take that down. Just a simple two-way lever, two-way switch. And you hook it into, for the Mega Rolls, they have these handles like this, but it also works on your regular plastic handles, whichever your, for whatever your NetWrap has. So again, you just take the switch. Just gonna guide it with your other hand. And you can either put it in the upper or you can pull your rack out and set it right down into your rack. Pretty simple. And then when you're done, just goes right up here for storage, and simply put that back in there. It's a real time saver, especially when you can get both rolls, use both rolls. A lot of guys don't ever use the second just because of the way it gets bales up there, getting the NetWrap up there. So the nice thing about this is it allows you to get two Mega Rolls in there, and you can bale, 600 bales all in one time. So it's a real time saver and a back saver. Another cool feature we have out that you can either order for your existing baler or you can order with a new baler is the LED lighting for at night. If you're doing corn stalks or baling at night, some guys like to capture that little bit of dew for their hay. It's nice to be able to, if you have to switch your roll, to have a light back here to see what's going on. And you can order that right with your new baler or for your existing baler. So this would be a great time for you to check out what we have to offer for our NetWrap Lift and for our NetWrap. So if you want to go ahead and just contact any of our C&B stores, any of our reps, we'll be glad to help you out.